Kasigro Boys High Secondary School Maulai, Hakasngi Balang ka Khanyo Tarik Unailar, kala Rakhe ka Jubilee Rupa, ni Jingdap Arpusan Snem jong ka Science Stream, hapdeng ka Jing Shongshit bat ipo ipeng, hapalau jong ka school haka Jingedon Ringkat, u MLA ka than ba PT Saukme, kumu Kongsan, bat upa table lang patau MDC, kumu Simbot Kongsan. Hakani ka singi lapun kop buram ki nong ikai ki bladap arpusan snem bat palat ya kata ki bakin thop yo Babu Morris Lingdo, Babu Michael Swe, Donald Malnyang, Rikanes Dula, ka kong Nancy Masar bat ka kong Rosanna Kharmuti. Lapun kop buram ru iki bawan top hapo school na du ki por balalen ki balalong MCS minta bat kiwe. Kumjo ru iki bawan top 10 haka results padang shen. Hakani ka Jing Rakhe lai don lang ru na du principal jong ka Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School Padar Alistair S. Marwen, Upadar Reverend Provincial Opindro Linkot, Padar Yohanes War Pakma, Principal Barim ka school ki kimi ki pa pat ki kena school. Lapin Shongshit ka program da ka Jing Rai, hakaktin khasi bat karo ki Jing Shat ka put ka tem pat kiwe. Habai kren ko mukong san upa piti saukme ulapin pau baka negri ka singi ka bakmen bat basuk ya ka bakila yo ban Rakhe ka Jingdap Arpusan Snem jong ka Science Stream hapo ka ka school. Ulapir tu ki nong hikai ki bahikai ka science ka badai ka wena ka subject ka ba bha. Ulapin pau ru pa ka seng haba seng ya ka Science Stream ka ba donkam ya ka laboratory ki kot ki barem bat ki bon ki school kim da kwa ban seng ya ka Science Stream na marba ka bon jinglot bha. Henry principal bala let no uklem da perkhat ya ka jingmantoy ban yo nong bat ula shim kya ban seng ya ka science hapo ka school. Ula yaro ru iki nong penyat haba ya day ba ka jingkyo jong ka school kine baro kila jana mar ki nong penyat ki day ki brew ki bawat ya ka khamat uplay. Kumjo uba table lang ru ulapin pau ya ka Jing Sokmen bandon benta pa ka Jing Rakhe ka Jingdap Arpusan Snem ka Science Stream pa ulapir tu ru ya ki nong hikai ki bala shakri palat Arpusan Snem ya ka school. Habai kren chapang ka science uba table rapin pau ba ka perthai ka shlei da ki gadget ba ki machine baro day na ka science. Ula ong ru pa ka science ka kampensok ya ka Jing jong ki brew bat da ka Jing Arab jong ka science la ban pinjan ya ka linti yat ka bajngai pakan long ka bajan. Ulapin pau ba ka science kelas dang na ki cycle shaki tok na ki saw shaka shaki rel ba ki ling sun ba ka science kalapin poi ru yau khun ban riu shopnai. Hakani ka sngi la yo ot ru yo kek dap Arpusan Snem bala yo ru ka Jingkren now Babu Michael bat kiwe.
Jubilee celebration of our dear teachers who have completed the milestone of 25 years in their service to the school. To the Jubilee teachers, I just want to say thank you for the service to the school and for shaping the future of the student from this school. Let me partake in the joy and pride of the management, the staff and students of this great institution as it crosses significant milestone in the march toward the future. Let me pay my respect to the founding father and the Catholic mission who has started this great institution in our constituency by ensuring social uplift through education in give rise to this institution. As today, we are celebrating the Silver Jubilee of the Science Stream. Let us talk about something about science because this is one of the very important part in the life of the student who are studying in this stream. As we look back in our ancient time, we see much development in the world. The world is full of gadgets and machineries. Machineries does everything in our surrounding. How did it get possible? How did we become so modern? It was all possible with the help of science. Science has played a major role in the development of society. Furthermore, we can say that science has made our life easier and carefree. Few things about science that affect our daily life. As I've mentioned earlier, science has got many changes in our life. First of all,
in recognition, encouragement, inspiration, and empowerment. Our high secondary school have done the best how to recognize of the contribution of your teacher. I'm sure that at the time when the school felicitate all the 6 teachers and others, I could hear that a bit clapping for all the students, even the guests were here. There's one word says that if your friend getting awards, if your friend will be facilitated, if your friend will be receive all the classes, you should clap with a big clap, because your day also will come once. That is life, what we have been experienced in life. The student of our higher secondary school here at online, when we talking about the science stream, it is a very difficult of setting up of science stream. I was a commerce student. I was an art student. But I'm trying with you a little bit distant from the science, because I'm not fond interest of this subject. But it's a very important subject, especially for the last 25 years of setting up of science stream. It is a very difficult. You can start off for art stream, you can start off the commerce stream. Starting off science is very, very difficult. I have to salute, I have to appreciate, I have to express my utmost thanks to Father Provincial and all the Reverend Father of the Second Boys and NBMC, that you have took a tough decision. Making only the building doesn't matter much, because you have to make the building. If you have arts, commerce, others have to make a building. You have to construct a building. Construction of the science stream, like the police said earlier, is a very tough. You have to think about the science teacher. When you will get a good science teacher, a brilliant teacher who can explain and make the understanding. In addition to that, you need a lab. A lab is very important and expensive.